Hello, welcome to PlantTube channel.
In this video, we are going to start and grow celery from seed. This project was started on the 6th of March 2021. For this project, we will be using this type of seed tray, a packet of celery seeds, and of course some high-quality potting soil. All the information needed to know what months are best to sow your seeds should be printed on the back of your seed package. Now the first thing we need to do is to fill our seed tray with some of that good quality potting soil. Normally one seed package contains thousands of seeds. Once we are done filling in the potting tray, you can sprinkle the seeds with your fingertips as shown in the video. Now use your fingertips to lightly cover the seeds by mixing the soil as can be seen in the video. Any seeds that are visible on top of the soil can be pushed down by using a pencil. And of course, give the seeds a good watering. Optional but recommended would be to use a label and to write down the seed variety used and date for future reference. "14 days later and visible green mold can be seen, so germination was really slow on this variety, but we can also see the first signs of germination. While the mold may not harm your plants, it indicates that the environment around your plants is most likely susceptible to disease, such as root rot. Several days later, and we can see clearly more seeds have germinated. After a month, any seeds that have not germinated were not viable for germination from the beginning. The green mold has also stopped and disappeared as I rectified the problem by not frequently watering now that the seeds have germinated. So now at this stage the celery has outgrown its seed tray and needs to be transplanted into a larger pot. This can easily be done by turning the seed tray on its side, and with the use of your finger pushing the rear end forward, and with your other hand pulling the seedling forward to extract a plant with its soil. This will eliminate a common problem known as transplant shock, which may inhibit the growth of your plant, or in some cases the death of your plant. This is the larger pot I will be using for the transplant of these seedlings, but not its final destination. Fill the pot up with soil, and insert your finger and make a hole big enough to insert your seedlings, and then push it down firmly into that hole. Once inserted, top it up with some more soil. Finally, and most importantly, we need to water the seedling thoroughly. Repeat the process for the rest of the other seedlings that need to be transplanted. If by chance you have more than one seedling that has germinated, then it would be best to separate them by this process. By pinching the soil will crumble away, revealing the roots, making it easy to separate them. As can be seen in the video, the roots are still intact and undamaged. Once again, the celery has outgrown its growing container, as can be seen by the roots. I have gone ahead and once again transplanted them into a larger pot, although they can be transplanted directly into their final destination at this stage. I didn't have space available at that time and was in no rush. And now finally, this will be their final transplant location into this raised bed. From here onwards I can cut small sections from each plant as they grow, as they will continuously grow back. As can be seen at this stage, the roots have developed nicely. If you like the projects I create on my channel, then may I suggest you visit my channel page and have a look at a wide selection of videos that may interest you.
Feel free to ask me any questions related to the video in the comment section below. I hope you have found this video of interest and consider subscribing if you have not already done so. Also, I would appreciate if you hit that like button. Thanks for watching.